Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick and easy recipe for you. It's kind of an appetizer, it could be a dinner when you serve it with a vegetable, so here we go. So for this recipe you're going to need 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix. So you mix it together, there's the recipe there. So you use 1 mix, but in this case you're going to need 2. So you're going to need 2 eggs, and I used 2/3 cup of buttermilk instead of milk, but you can do milk if you want. And I actually added a little bit more milk to make it, not such a thick batter. So then I cut up some hot dogs and I placed them in a pan. Usually you'd want to use a 13x9 pan, but I have a cake in it. I made a cake last night with one of my many mixes I bought in my last grocery haul. So then you mix the batter together, and then you just pour it over the top. So I'll show you that in a second. So here it is after I poured the batter on top of the hot dogs, and you put it in the oven for 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll let you know if that's how long it took mine. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's out of the oven. Mine was in my oven for about 20 minutes. So the recipe's time was right. So then, it's really done when the side, see how brown that is? Nice golden brown. It doesn't look that brown on top, but it is done. So hope you try this out. Thank you. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope to make some more recipe videos in the future. And please like, comment, subscribe, and follow my social media accounts, and the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.